All Backup Restore is a comprehensive Android application designed to facilitate the backup and restoration of data on mobile devices. This app empowers users to securely save important files, including contacts, messages, photos, videos, and application data, ensuring that valuable information is protected against data loss due to various reasons, such as device malfunction or accidental deletion. With its intuitive interface, All Backup Restore simplifies the backup process, making it accessible for users of all levels of technical expertise, from beginners to more advanced users. The app typically offers features like scheduled backups, allowing users to automate the process, and cloud storage integration, providing additional security and convenience for data retrieval. Users can also restore data with just a few taps, which enhances the overall user experience by making data recovery quick and easy. Furthermore, the application may support multiple file formats and types, allowing for a broad range of data to be backed up, thus catering to diverse user needs. Overall, All Backup Restore is an essential tool for Android users who want to safeguard their data and ensure easy recovery when needed. Its combination of reliability, user-friendliness, and robust features makes it a top choice in the realm of backup applications.